You know, the thing is, you hear about it on the news. Cars and trucks getting stuck on mountains and stuff like that. You hear it on the news all the time. But you never think that it'll happen to you. Hello everybody, it's me, Kyle. And recently I received an email that was so compelling that I couldn't get my mind off of this person's story. And I really want to share her story with you guys. So today I'm going to be driving to Sedona, Arizona. This is the first time I'm traveling while being on keto. Oh yeah, that's salty, alright. I'm just eating boiled broccoli. Damn, this video is already so exciting, huh? Okay, so I finally made it to Arizona. This is the first time I've ever driven across state lines by myself. And I stopped because I always wanted to try some Arizona iced tea. Yeah. Ugh. Ugh. Ah. It's better in California. Yeah. I've been waiting to come into a hotel room, put the camera down, go back outside, pretend like it's my first time walking in a very long time. I'm here. This is a big deal for me. It's been 11 months, almost a year since I've stayed out overnight somewhere. Almost a year since I've been in a hotel. Even checking in felt foreign to me. I'm really proud that I drove this far. This is the farthest I've ever gotten by myself, driven by myself. And the ride on Highway 17 was beautiful. The saguaro cacti on both sides of the hills, and the rain made it impossible to drone, but I hope the dash cam picked up some of the sights. And there was even a beautiful rainbow, perhaps the most beautiful rainbow I've ever seen. But this, to me, is a bigger accomplishment because I always thought that I was a bad driver, and I am. I'm not that good, to be honest, and it feels so good to be traveling again, but traveling with a purpose. I can't wait to meet Kimberly. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I almost didn't want to come here because I saw on Street View that there were traffic circles. Here, north. Yep. Wow. Here I am, Sedona! I did it. I drove through a traffic circle. Multiple ones. I'm so proud. Hi. I'm here.
Hi. Air hug.
Hello. Hello.
I'm so happy you're here. Well, this is crazy to see you in person.
Just something, yeah. Just...
Kyle. Kyle's here. He brought you a present. He brought you something.
Hello.
It's a monkey backpack. Wow. That is so cool.
Nice.
Are you excited? Can you say thank you to Kyle?
Battery?
No.
No battery, sorry. I know it seemed like I was just there in and out, but I was actually there for 5 hours. You'll get to know more about Kimberly in the next video. I don't want to spoil anything, but it involves a Vietnamese father. And that's why I'm here. Spoilers. I'm here to help her make a short video that will hopefully lead to her father. Hopefully. With your help, of course. I'm definitely going to need your guys' help in sharing the next video that I release. The story of Kimberly's life. I'm very happy right now. Because I feel like I'm traveling again. I feel like I have a purpose. I feel like I'm helping somebody. And doing something. I feel so good right now. I don't miss traveling, to be honest. Packing, getting all of the stuff in one little suitcase and waking up early and it's not that fun. But meeting new people, talking to them, getting to know them. I mean, Kimberly saw me on YouTube, and then like here a week later, after we concluded that I was gonna come, here I am. And I'm sorry about the shininess on my face. I just finished doing my face. I wasn't born with the best genetics, especially when it comes to skin, so I have to utilize a lot of products. But I do know a lot about skincare now, especially during quarantine. So if anybody needs help, feel free to ask me. But yeah, so if I had the choice, I wouldn't. You know, I wish. Whoa! My egg juice just came flying. I wish I was lucky like some people, just splash water, a little cleanser, some lotion on their face, and that's it. But yeah, wasn't born with the right genes, you know. The morning after. Wow, look at this view, guys. Whoa, sorry. Whoa, it's even better without my foggy glasses. Wow, it's beautiful here, guys. It's like it's Mars. I feel like I'm in Mars, you know. Why didn't I hear about Sedona before this? This is incredible, and it's breezy. If this was the summer, I know I couldn't handle it, but like perfect. This is perfect. Manzanita wood, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
These are dried. These are already dried up, but you can just split them open, and then you have to take these little seeds out.
You have to take the seeds out?
Yeah, they're really hard and crunchy, and then you can just eat the outside fruit.
Nice. Can't hit anything. And people are like judging us, man. They're all like walking around and be like, what are these people doing standing in the bushes? You know? Alright, let's go. Before coming here, I told Kimberly, no hikes. And then she's taking me on another hike. But this one's a little bit different. This way or that way? That way, right?
Yeah.
This one is a spiritual hike.
That way.
And you'll see why. It's like 11 o'clock and we finally just did Kimberly's interview. Spoiler. So it's been a long day. It's been a long 2 days. So thank you. Yeah, thank
I'll
you
miss
for.
you, Kyle.
Yeah.
Thank you for everything.
No. It's a pleasure to meet you. Yeah.
Air hug.
Air hug. Yeah. Pandemic. Yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Yeah.
Okay.
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 Bye.
Bye.
It's life. I can show myself out. I know the way. Yeah, that's it. And I can't wait for you guys to see the next video. Bye, Kim.
Bye.
I'll send you all the pictures and stuff, yeah?
Okay.
Bye.
Perfect.
Take care.
Bye.
Take care.
Safe travels.
Thank you. Yep, that's it for Sedona. I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but it's snowing, and I wish I could just curl up in bed and drink some hot cocoa and watch the snow, but unfortunately we have to leave Sedona, and I'm a little bit nervous about driving in the snow because I've never really done it before, but we're gonna go to Vegas. This is slightly embarrassing, but the good news is I'm safe. California guy, snow, icy roads. Man, I was scared. I skidded so many times. I got off of this ramp right here, and look at the ground, guys. It's all white. This is a rear-wheel drive car. Can't even go anymore. Woo! You know what? While I'm waiting for the tow truck, might as well play in the snow. Woo! Oh, man. Hey, I wanted this, right? Except I didn't want to get stuck, but I wanted to be in the snow like this. Yep. Yep. Very smart. Yep. You know, I should be feeling really bad right now because this is a very expensive mistake, but honestly, I just feel happy that I'm safe. The car is okay. It could be a lot worse, guys. It could have been a lot worse. Lesson learned. I'm riding inside my car on top of a flatbed. Other people are stuck as well. Just trying my best to enjoy the scenic beauty. Maybe do some carpool karaoke. Overload, I get you up and ready to go. Down here, which is like 5 minutes from the snow, is perfectly okay. It's just rainy. So I'm back at the same hotel that I left this morning. When I came in through the lobby, everybody was like, "Hey, Mr. Lee, welcome back." Mr. Lee. Anyways, I'm in a different room though. This room is better and it's cheaper. The good news is I get to spend a few more days with Kimberly, get to know her a little bit better, maybe film some extra stuff here and there. With time now that I had to think about it, I'm extremely, extremely lucky that I didn't get hurt or, you know, nothing else. So that's why it's been a long day. But now I think I'm going to go see Kimberly and maybe we're going to eat something and yeah. But I'm not going to drive. I'm probably going to walk over there or something. We'll see. Oh my god. Looks like I'm going to be staying in Sedona for a few more days. Looks like I have to walk everywhere, but you know what? I'm okay with that. It's all good. It's all good. And the great thing is I have a really good Chinese food place literally 5 minutes away from my hotel. So food-wise, I think I'm going to be okay. But I'm going to go see Kimberly and see what is in store for today.
Okay, let's get ice cream. It's crazy. Well, now it's double.
See, in Arizona, they have nothing to eat, so they have to eat snow. You know?
If they eat snow, they'll go up.
Yeah, if you eat snow, you'll grow, yes.
Tell me why, Mama. Why?
Should I do a flip? Okay. Oh. Ow. My mom said not to waste any food, you know, but she's not here right now, so. You know, if you waste food, you're gonna go to hell and eat maggots, you know, but that's okay. Yeah, right, Sedona.
Make it like a flower.
Yeah, a
Okay.
happy face is spelling out Sedona.
Okay, like a flower.
Yeah, it's very fluffy and cold and icy and tastes like the sky a little bit.
Clean.
This is what I wanted, guys. This is what I wanted. The snow experience. Yeah. Trust me, I've had it. I've had the snow experience. Hey, careful, careful. Careful, careful. Wow, she's fearless. She's fearless. Running all around. Not me. So I've kind of lost track of how many days I've been out here, but I am leaving this morning. But first, I'm gonna say goodbye to Kimberly first.
Class, class.
Bye, Lillian.
Yes, yes.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
I feel like this is my life, you know. I feel like this is my family now.
You're
I
like
feel
stuck in this like.
Yeah, I feel like this. What is my real life? I have no idea. You know, this is my real life. This is my real
You have
life.
your annoying little sister Lillian,
Listen to the Texas.
who yells at you and bosses you around.
Bye, Kim.
Hey.
I'll see you
Hey.
soon.
Lillian.
I'll see you soon for sure. I'll see you soon for sure.
You need to see class.
Come say goodbye to Kyle.
Class, class.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. You know, when I came here, the intent was to make a video in hopes of finding Kim's father. I didn't expect to have any leads, come up with any addresses or phone numbers. But I did. And now, leaving, and hopefully for reals this time, I feel like there's even more of a burden on my shoulders to complete this story. But one thing at a time, there's nothing much we can do now. We tried reaching out to some people, but haven't heard back from them. So perhaps the next logical thing is to knock on some doors. Maybe I'll see you soon, Seattle. But first, let's get out of Arizona. But first, let's get out of Sedona, actually.